Hello friends, in today's class it is practice time. Now before this today's class we learn about the chapter number 6. It is be my multiple, I will be factors. I will be your factor. So in many classes of the same chapter we discuss about the factors, the rules of important points about the factors, then multiples, SCF, common factors, then highest common factor, next multiples, common multiples and least common multiple means LCM. Now on the basis of all these classes, whatever we learn during that classes, so it is the practice time to solve this some question on the basis of the same topic here. Okay, see, it's today's class a very short class, but it is. Now see in the blank, what question 1 is factor of dash number. So 1 is factor of dash number. What is about 1? Here we have to know, we have to write about factor, and 1 is factor of dash. So to write this answer, you have to remember the one important point which we wrote that time as an important point of factors. फैक्टर के जो हमने इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट लिखे थे वो हमें यहाँ पर याद करके लिखना है. क्या लिखे थे बेटा? देयर टू पॉइंट्स वेयर देयर एज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. नोट वन, फर्स्ट वन इज द फैक्टर ऑफ ईच नंबर एंड ईच नंबर इज फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. नाउ सी say 1 is factor of here each number or every number. So you can write here every number. 1 is factor of every number. Now question number 2, every number is a dash of itself. Every number is a dash of itself. So see, for example, this is number 3. 3 के अगर फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा बेटा? 1 and 3, ये इसके फैक्टर्स नहीं. 1 and 3, ओके, 1 and 3 इसके फैक्टर्स है बेटा. 1 and 3. नेक्स्ट सी, अगर 3 के मल्टीपल्स निकालेंगे तो 3, 6, 9, 12 लाइक दैट. ओके, 3, 6, 9 and 12 लाइक दैट. दीज आर द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3. नेक्स्ट सी हियर एवरी नंबर. अभी देखिए इसमें 3 का फैक्टर देखिए बेटा. 3 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 3. 3 is the factor of 3 and see it is 3 is the multiple of 3 also. ये जो 3 है मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 है, तो each number is factor of itself and same way each number is multiple of itself. So here we can write, some of you write always think that मतलब every number is factor of itself, or some of you write like that every number is multiple of itself. Okay, but you see that if each number is factor of itself and multiple of itself, so we have to write every number is a factor and multiple of itself. Okay, every number is a factor and multiple of itself. Every number is a factor and multiple of itself. Now number 3, see, in 5 into 3 equal to 15. 5 into 3 equal to 15. Then 5 and 3, ये क्या हो बेटा? ये देखिए इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट होगा 50. इट्स मीन, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब क्या बेटा? कि दिस इज 15 इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 एंड 15 इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 ऑल्सो. बट ये जो दो नंबर है, दिस 2 नंबर आर, इसके 15 के क्या होंगे? फिर फैक्टर है 5 और 15 का फैक्टर है 3. दिस 2 नंबर आर द फैक्टर ऑफ 15. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट हियर? If 5 and 3 equal to 5 into 3 equal to 15, then what we have to write? 5 and 3 are what? These two numbers are factors of 15. Or factors of what number? Factors of 15. So we can write here 15. Next, see, number having only two factors are called. जिस भी नंबर के सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर होते हैं उसे क्या बोलते हैं? नंबर्स हैविंग ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स. अगर किसी नंबर के सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर तो उसे क्या कहते हैं बेटा? सी, 2 into 1, ये 2 के फैक्टर है बेटा. 2 and 1 या 1 and 2. देन 3 के फैक्टर देखिए 1 and 3. देन 5 के फैक्टर देखिए बेटा 1 and 5. सो देयर आर सम नंबर विच हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स, जैसे कि 7, 1 and 7, 11, 1 and 11. So these are the some number having only 2 factor. One factor is 1 itself, 1, and other factor is number itself. 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 11, 11. So this number. So what is the special name for this number? So this type of the number are called number having only two factors, or called, basically this number are having only two factors, so these are called prime number. Prime, prime, okay? These number are called prime number. So what we have to write here? Here we have to write these number are called prime numbers. See, number having only two factors are called prime numbers. Okay? Number having only two factors are called prime numbers. Yes. Next. See next. Write all factors. Write all factors of 64. Now here we have to write all factors of 64. Write all factors of 64. See, what are the factors of 64? 1 into 64. Then 2 into 32, 64 हो जाएगा बेटा. Then 4 into 16 देखिए 64 होगा. Now 8 into 8, 64. See, both number are now near equal here. So this 1, 2, 4, 8. Again 8. No need to repeat it. This 16, 32, and 64. So this number are the factors of 64. So we can write here. See, factors of 64. कौन-कौन से बेटा? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. And 64. Okay? See, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. These are the factors of 64. Next. Find first two common multiples of 4 and 8. Find first two common multiples of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 के पहले क्या multiples है? First two here. So there may be many other multiples as a common multiple, but we have to write only about common two multiples. So see, multiples of 4. Make the list of multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, then 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, it is 48, 52, then 56, and so on. And so on. Next. Multiples of 6. Now write the list multiples of the 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, then 30, 36, 42, 48, now 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, now it is 84, and so on. Okay? And so on. These are the what? Multiples of 6. Now, common multiple of 4 and 6. Now, common multiples of 4 and 6. Now here, as it is mentioned in the question, find first two common multiples. Now here we have got only two multiple here. Common multiples of 4 and 6. So see, it is 12, it is 12. It is 24, it is 24. So there are many other common multiples, but we have to write only two. So we can write here 12, 24, and so on. Now it is not asked to write LCM, so we will not write here LCM. Only it is asked to find out the common multiples. So as per instruction given in question, we find out only first two common multiples of 4 and 6. Okay. Next. Find the LCM of 8 and 15. Find the LCM of 8 and 15. अब 8 और 15 के LCM find out करेंगे. So see, here we have to find out LCM. To find out LCM, first of all we have to make list of multiples, then list of common multiples, and then we have to find out LCM. So first of all, write multiples of 8. Now what are the multiples of 8? It is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, it is 48, 54, 56, then 64, it is 72, 80, 88, 96 and so on. क्या है? Multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96 and so on. Then multiples of 15. Now what are the multiples of 15? It is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105. Then it is 120, 135, 115, one day again 165, then it is 180 and so on. Now here again we can extend this list. 96 है 8 के मल्टीपल्स में, सीधे it will be 104, 112, 120, 180, 128. Okay, like that. Now common multiples. Of 8 and 15. Common multiples of 8 and 15. Now what are the common multiples of 8 and 15? What are the common multiples of 8 and 15? So see, common multiple 8 and 15, it is 120 and again it is 120. Okay? It is 120 only and so on. When you will extend this list, there will you get one more, some more again as a common multiple. Now LCM of 8 and 15. It is 120. It is 120. Now, see last questions. It is about factor tree. Complete the factor tree. Now we have to complete this factor tree. It is 48. So express this 48 in the form of multiplication of two numbers. So it is what beta? Even number. So it can be divisible by 2. So it will be 2 into 24. Again this even number. So you can divide it by 2 again. 2 into 12. Again this even number, so 2 into 6. Now see again it is 2 into 3. So this way we can complete this factor tree, and these are the factors of the what? 48. So this is today's class. It was about only practice work. Okay. Thank you.